What is up, besties? It's your favorite bestie back on the scene. If you're not trying to be my bestie now, we most definitely gonna be besties later. So you might as well go ahead and tell your friends to get with my friends and we can be friends, okay? So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give me a like and a comment to come on, do it for your girl, and turn that post notification bell on. Like, what is it hurting you? It's not doing anything. You're not spending no money on it. Yeah, and go ahead and follow me on all my social media platforms. They are going to be in the description down below and on the screen as well. Once you do that, you know we locked in. We is locked in. Okay, so now we hopping straight into the video. As you can see, I was just adjusting my frontal, getting it right, you know, making sure it was centered right away so I could start sewing it down. And then you guys are going to see that I did do one side off camera, and you want to do that anyways. Well, of course not off camera, but you want to start from one side and then work to the other side. And that's why I have that pin in the middle of my part, so once I do one side, it's not gonna move, and then I could start on the other side. And so I use a mesh cap when I do my wigs, because one, they're easier to sew, and two, they're not as tight as spandex caps, but you could use spandex caps if you would like. It's your own preference. This is just what I prefer to use as a mesh cap. So I'm just gonna take the needle and take it through the frontal and then put it through the cap, and then I'm gonna wrap the thread around the needle about 2 to 3 times and then pull it straight through, and then I'm gonna do that along the entire back. And you want to keep them kind of close together. That's gonna give you a neat part, and it's gonna make it very secure. The closer it is, the more secure it's gonna be. And you want to do that along the entire frontal, and if you have a closure, you want to do that along the entire back and then the side of the closure as well, okay? Okay, besties. So after I have sewed down my frontal, I just traced out where I want each of my tracks to lay and how I want them to lay. And then after that, I measure out whichever track I pick, to make sure it's a good fit and it's gonna lay how I want it to lay and it's actually gonna fit. Cause like I said, you know, the title of the video, these are reused bundles. It's from a quick weave that I have. Some tracks they got cut, some of them didn't. Um, but anyways, y'all, I'm gonna pin both sides down on, you know, each side, and then I'm gonna start sewing it, and then I'm just gonna sew from one end to the other, and I'm just gonna really do that up along the entire length of the wig, or you know, the dome head, until it's full. So it's really repetitive. You guys are gonna see me do it, just going straight up each line, measuring out the track, making sure if it doesn't, I might add another one. I don't remember if I had to do that, like stop in the middle and then put a different one. But if it doesn't match, that's all you have to do. It's just put another track in the middle to match it up to the other side. But if I gotta do that, y'all see that, we'll get to that. Okay, but it's really repetitive, really easy. You're just going from one side to the other. Y'all, ain't nothing new happening. I just want to pop back in and talk to y'all. I just want to really tell y'all thank y'all for supporting me this far along. Trust me, I'm going to become very consistent. Well, more consistent. I'm not going to say I'm going to be posting every day because I can't make a promise that I can't keep. But I am doing my best and I'm going to be trying my hardest to stay consistent. And I just want to thank y'all for not giving up on your girls. Don't give up on me, okay? But if you made it this far into the video, please drop purple hearts in the emoji. I mean, in the comments. Purple heart emojis in the comments. I'm not saying this over. So drop purple heart emojis in the comments so I know that you made it this far and you still watching the video. Okay, bestie. So this is the last part. I'm just going to cut off the extra cap in front of the lace. Okay, like this is a big part. I mean, if y'all don't want to, you ain't really got. I'm just playing. Y'all better not be out here leaving no caps on y'all wigs. Like, come on now, I'm your bestie. I'ma tell you, you better not do that. I ain't about to have you out here crazy. Don't y'all do that. Leave that cap on there. No, cut it off wherever your frontal enclosure is. Get as close as you can to where you are sewing. Do not cut. Do not cut your stitching. Do not cut it. Okay, try your best. Try your best. Okay, just please don't. Get as close as you possibly can, and that is the end. Now, I'm sorry, I did not show y'all the finished wig when after I styled it and all that, but I will tell y'all have to go watch my next video if y'all do want to see what it look like when you apply it and it's styled and she looking all bomb and like, scalpiana, she looking real nice. So y'all want to see what it's gonna look like when you're all done and you complete, go check out that next video. Okay, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and it better be some purple hearts in the comments. I'm not playing with y'all. It better be some purple hearts in the comments. Okay, bye besties.